What's good, all my Cardano friends? It's your friend Jack here, and in this video today I want to go over quickly with some very simple math how far Cardano could potentially grow in 2021, and this is going to be a very simple explanation, and I'm going to show you some awesome numbers to go along with this. But the source from this video is going to be this tweet right here, talking about how ADA has a lot of room to grow. If you think it doesn't, we're going to be taking a look at the first price launch compared to where these coins are today, and then I'm going to be seeing how much Cardano would be worth per ADA if we were to see these percentages in price coming from their first price of launch. So Bitcoin's up 25,000% from launch, Ethereum's up 74,000%. Now Cardano's only up 5,800%. Now with that in mind, I want to take a look at what Cardano price would be, including the market cap, if we were to see the same return on Cardano percentage from launch as Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then we're going to go from there and see what our price would look at for this year. Keep in mind, this is only to see the same gains as Ethereum and Bitcoin. Who's to say these gains won't go further as time goes on? So that's why I'm looking at a 2021 perspective and not just forever perspective. But with these calculations, you could also make your own guesses, and you can use the calculator that I'm going to be using to see these prices. But before we dive too deep into the video, keep in mind that these calculations are based off of percentages. However, I'm not 100% sure when these percentages were taken from, if they're taken from the all-time high or the current price. So with that in mind, these percentages and the price predictions will be a little bit off, but it is still a good thing to know and just a good thing to look at and speculate about, really, in terms of Cardano price, where it could go, and just how much return we could see on Cardano this year. Now, in order for Cardano to get to the same return as Bitcoin from launch, we're going to have to see a 4.2x. So with a 4.2x from 138, we're going to be looking at a calculation of $5.80 per ADA. Now, this would leave the market cap of Cardano with the current circulation at 185 billion. Right, so 4.2x where we are right now, and let's say you had 1,000 Cardano, your 1,000 Cardano is going to be worth $5,700, and you're going to be able to get $22 a month in passive income if you were to sell your staking rewards at that price point of $5.80. Now, this is pretty interesting, and this is somewhat of a price prediction of where Cardano could go this year if it was to see the same returns as Bitcoin since launch. This wouldn't make Cardano as big as Bitcoin by any means. It would make Cardano the third highest cryptocurrency above Tether and Binance coin, and it would make it still smaller than Ethereum. But what would happen if Cardano were to see that gain that Ethereum is to see, which would be a 12.6x, not a 4.2, but a 12.6. So when we plug that in, we're going to see a Cardano that's worth $17.39. Now, this would put Cardano at a market cap of $556 billion, which is quite a bit of money, yes, and that is bigger than Ethereum by quite a bit. This is actually coming close to Bitcoin at the current market cap. But of course, if Cardano is to see this type of growth, we're also going to see Ethereum and Bitcoin probably grow as well, quite substantially, and probably be closer to the all-time highs. So keep that in mind. There's a lot of things that are going to happen that don't just happen to Cardano. The whole market will probably go with it, or at least a lot of the market will go with it, and in terms of going up. And this is pretty cool, but $556 billion is still a lot of money, right? That's a lot. That's a high market cap. And I'm not saying this will happen, but this is just a possibility of what could happen if we're to see the same return on Cardano as Ethereum from launch. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to check out this calculator right here and use it for yourself, you can just go to the link in the description, click on File, then click Make a Copy. Then you can edit it as your own, but make sure you're signed into a Google account. With all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful or something like that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave some videos that you can calculate your retirement and stuff like that. Cool videos that are spreadsheet based as well, if you want to check those out too. As always, I appreciate you guys watching my content, and it means the world to me if you could smash that like button just for fun. Anyways, peace out.